Hello everyone, welcome to the Chocolate Man fan channel. Today we're reacting to B.I. Not Dash, with Destiny Rogers and Tyla Yaweh, I think is how I pronounce it. Gotta Like That MV. So if you don't know, I'm a huge fan of B.I. Basically, he became like one of my favorite K-pop artists right before the whole controversy in 2019, and so I've been so eagerly anticipating his comeback. And I know this is a very late reaction to this, but yeah, that's my bad. I probably should have reacted to this way earlier. I've only listened to the first 20 seconds of the song before, and it's all Destiny Rogers, I think, who sang Tomboy, who was in Lily's film, the movie. Anyway, I'm super excited to listen to this and then also react to the Waterfall intro. So I haven't seen this MV, so this is my first time. I can't wait to hear B.I. rap again. I love the vibe of this track. I really like Destiny Rogers. I didn't know about her before Tomboy, but I love Tomboy, and I think she's killing it here on this track as well. Oh, I really like this song. Oh, this is awesome. Oh my god, is he rapping fully in English? This is amazing. Oh no. Anyway, his rapping full stop is amazing. I don't know why. The timing of that was too perfect. Oh, their voices go so well together in this chorus. This song I already feel like is in my head. This is my first time hearing of and from Tyla Yaweh, so if I'm pronouncing that wrong, I'm sorry, but he seemed really good as well. God, the song is amazing. This is literally my first time hearing it. I just love the chorus as well, especially. All their voices suit the song. Oh, that ended so abruptly. All their voices suit this song so well. I really think so. Anyway, this is the Waterfall intro film. I love hearing B.I. sing, I don't know if it's sing rapping or just singing. I remember for Love Scenario, he has such a distinct way of singing that he made all the other icon members sing in that specific way to match him and to create the song he wanted to create. And so I love listening to his voice because I think he sings in such a unique way that matches his voice perfectly. God, that's for the haters right there. This kind of looks like his look from Killing Me MV. This album is gonna be emotional, I'm sure. Wow, the beat just came in out of nowhere. Wow, I really like that beat. It feels like the imagery and the images he's used here are kind of super meaningful and kind of represent, I'm guessing, like what he's gone through. I just feel like that's what it like relates to. Well, I'm super interested to watch and like just react and just experience all that BI has to offer, because like I said before, I think he's one of my favorite artists. I really appreciate his music, and I just cannot wait to like for Waterfall or his like full official comeback, and hopefully he does like performances and stuff. Basically, I just can't wait, and I'm super excited. Please let me know your thoughts on the song, this Mother intro film teaser, the kind of how you're feeling about BI's comeback and everything. And yeah, I guess that's it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on the Chocolate Man Fan Channel.